Hello, I'm Paul Iverson, Blue Claw Associates, and I'm here to show you the jetty we built. 1940, they built jetties out here. There's some over there, some over here. Our jetty that we rebuilt looked like that one over there at the beginning. And what we did, we were allowed only to use the boulders existing on the beach. What we did is we took all the biggest boulders that we could find and we made the outline, the footing of the jetty. That was the base of the jetty. You can see some of them over here. It's a good view of the big boulders that we set first. Once we got the bigger boulders surrounding the jetty, this was during low tide, of course, then we started hauling in riprap, 5 to 8 inch riprap. And we put that in the middle of the jetty, and then we would put more boulders on top of the boulders, offsetting them for support. And then we'd fill in with the riprap. The riprap is right here. I'll show you. It's all in here. This is basically all rock, solid rock all the way down. And then we decorated it with some of the stones that we got from the beach. And at the end, the customer wanted to be able to walk on the jetty, so we made it as flat as we could. And we found some really nice flat stones for the middle. So is what we did, once we got the walls up and the riprap in, we started down here. This is the first rock on the top, which happened to be a heart, which is kind of cool. So we placed this, we lasered it to where high tide was, and then we built the jetty sides like this as we went with a laser down the middle so that it would be flat and then roll over like this. I thought it came out pretty nice.